match, tough conditions, windy, hot, humid. Talk a bit about the encounter.
So the first set, she was fighting really hard. I had a tough time. I was down 5-2 or 5-1, and I got back to 5-all, 6-5, and then I got back to 6-6. The tiebreaker, we were like head to head. So I lost this first set in the tiebreaker 7-5, very close. Second set, I gave it my all, and I just saw like me winning. So 6-4, but it's very hot. She was fighting very strong, and she overheated. I think this was the best match of the week. I'm really proud of how I played. She was a really good player, and I'm proud for her because she fought really hard.
I just tried to fight as much as I could the whole match. I just tried to make every ball over the net. This match today fell short, but I feel like I fought really hard, and I'm proud of myself.
How were the conditions out there?
It was really hot today. You know, Jamaica's like a lot hotter than Florida, I would say. So I had a bit of fatigue that I wasn't used to, but I still feel like in those tough times in the first set and the beginning of the second set, I played pretty well.
Okay, and will you be staying over for the second tournament?
Yes, I will next week. We're going to rest today and then train hard tomorrow.
Okay, Jannic, you're the ITF J30 champion here in Kingston. 6-1, 6-3, the final score. Your thoughts on the match?
I think I played great serve. I was a little bit nervous in the second set because it was close, but then in the end it was good. So I felt pretty comfortable over the whole match.
He played really good, and he took advantage of his opportunities. He was serving really well, and I couldn't really find how to break him. But yeah, he played well, and I didn't take advantage of my opportunities. So yeah.